Thuraya Orion IP is a maritime broadband terminal by Hughes Network Systems that supports broadband data communications onboard ships at speeds up to 444 kilobits per second. Orion IP comes in complete set including indoor unit with Wi-Fi antenna, complete set of cables and mounting accessories, maritime mounting kit, and maritime antenna. Small, lightweight and easy to install, Thuraya Orion IP is suitable for both business and crew communications. Orion IP can be used for internet access, email, virtual private network, file transfer, video conferencing, and database synchronization.
Orion IP comes with Webman machine interface. The home screen provides you with key summary status information about the Thuraya Orion IP and is also a gateway into Thuraya Orion IP management. Here is a sample YouTube video to show you the internet speed of Orion IP.
They say it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. 20 years ago, we began our journey together with you towards new horizons. Over the years, we've stretched the boundaries of innovation and technology. Sailing through changing times, we've evolved to become industry leaders, paving the way for many successes.
Now, let's make a Skype test call using Orion IP.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. This is testing from Thuraya Orion IP. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. This is testing from Thuraya Orion IP.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly.
Thuraya Orion IP is a maritime broadband terminal. The applications are high-speed internet for email, voice-over IP and video conferencing, chart updates to meet the latest ECDIS regulations, remote IT support to rectify IT issues from your office, CCTV remote monitoring from office, crew welfare using applications such as instant messaging, social media services and voice-over IP.
Now, let's send a test email with file attachment through Vmail software to observe email sending speed. Vmail has compressed 1.36 megabytes PDF to 155 kilobytes, and it has been transmitted through Orion IP in just 5 seconds. Thanks for watching.